This is a map of the Appalachian Mountains that run alongside the East Coast. The visual here shows the placement of the Blue Ridge Mountains at 35.7647 degrees north and 82.2653 degrees west. Black bears are found in areas with accessible terrains, thick vegetations, and large quantities of edible material. The adaptations to these may be due to living alongside a larger, more aggressive bears, adapting to this monopolized, more open habitat. Gopherfish and red lionfish are mostly found in the rivers and lakes near the mountain bottoms. Coyotes and wild boars are found on the bottom of the mountains on land. Eastern yellow robins are found in the closed forest and woodlands along with rose robins, gray fantail birds, white-barred scrub wrens, and a golden whistler. The Blue Ridge Mountains temperature is the mid-80s in the summer, and in the winter it is between a high of 40s and a low of 20s. The average rainfall a year is close to around 60 inches of rain. The metamorphic rock makes up the majority of the soil at the Blue Ridge Mountains. 469 miles long and linked to 2 national parks. Along the way there is metamorphic rock with light and dark-colored minerals, similar to the way a marble cake appears. There are many mountains and many forests in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Old hickory forest makes up most of the Appalachian slopes, including the Blue Ridge Mountains. Spruce fir forests appears and are as tall as they are because during the last ice age the spruce forest covered most of the eastern United States. Their climate is much too cold for other trees to adapt, which gives them more height, which is closer towards the sun and nutrients needed. Some activities to do on the mountains is hiking and skiing. In the winter it is very few above zero. Skiing and hiking clothes and anything warm you can imagine is needed for this vacation and this activity. A snowsuit is very recommended when skiing. When hiking, you will need a map, a compass, and a GPS is optional. Also, to keep yourself warm, you will need jacket, vest, warm pants, gloves, and a hat. To keep yourself hydrated, you will need tons of water. And you cannot forget a first aid kit in case anything should happen. Other activities you can do are water sports, such as fishing in the rivers at the bottom of the mountains. When visiting the Blue Ridge Mountains, there are plenty of state parks that you could visit for tourist attractions. Waterfalls are a very beautiful place to visit when visiting the Blue Ridge Mountains. From point A to point B, this is what the map shows. From Chicago to Pittsburgh, it will take approximately $335 to fly to go see the beautiful mountains in the Appalachians. If you're ever there, you should visit the Blue Ridge.